everyone, this is Gleeza from Made with Glee. I am coming to you today with my fall tablescape. And the reason I'm sharing my fall tablescape is because there's an open challenge invite that was extended by Kenya Decor's Corner and Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, who I both now subscribe to and love watching their videos. I found out about them through Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan. And I decided that this is the perfect challenge for me to participate in because I love fall colors. This is my fall tablescape. On it is a tablecloth that I've had for many years. I got that from HomeGoods. The table setting is very simple. The placemats are here year round. On it is a charger, the bronzish gold charger that I got from Michael's. The paper plates are from HomeGoods, and yes, I use paper plates because that way it makes entertaining a lot easier on me. We have a hors d'oeuvres tray from QVC. The line is called Temptations of an Old World, and on it you'll see all of recognizable Dollar Tree pumpkins and owls and accessories. This little cupcake is a DIY that I made. It's not the DIY that I'm sharing, but that's also a little DIY included on here. The little pumpkin arrangement is a candle ring. In the center is my DIY. This is what I created, and I'll explain and include the video showing all of exactly how I did that after this. It's sitting on a wall hanging that I believe I got from Ross. That's one of those rosewood carved pieces. It can be used as wall hanging, whatever you want to do with it. Right now I'm using it as a trivet. Owls from the Dollar Tree. This is my tea set that was gifted to me by my sons to remind me to get off the coffee and drink more tea. There are 2 salt and pepper shakers that was also gifted to me. The little leaf bowl you recognize from my last video, the summer tray challenge. And basically that is my entire fall tablescape. I keep it very simple, but it has all the colors that I love to live with all the time. So this is my favorite season to decorate just because I love fall. I love fall colors. I like the cooler temperatures because we can finally garden in Florida. Well, that's about it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Kenya Decor's Corner and Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. Thank you all for these fun challenges that are getting me out of my shell. I enjoy creating and sharing with you. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone. Hi, everyone. It's Gleeza. This is my DIY centerpiece that I'm going to put together for my fall table scenery. I currently have this bowl. I use it all year round. Sometimes I have candy, sometimes I have baked goods, sometimes we had lemons in there, fake lemons in there for the summer. I use that bowl all the year round. I love it. I got this from HomeGoods about 7 years ago. So this is going to be part of my centerpiece, and whatever I'm doing, of course, it has to be removable because, like I said, I use this bowl a lot. This ring, it's called a Floral craft ring. I got a set of 3, I believe, thrifted from Goodwill several years ago. I used 2 for like an Easter wreath, and I had this one left, and I set it to use for my centerpiece. From the dollar stores where I got everything else, and this is a set of battery operated lights. I got 2 packs of these fake maple leaves. I got 2 packs because I like the different colors, so I figured I'll mix the 2 together. I also got from the Dollar Tree 1, 2, Well, it's actually 5. 5 picks in all. There was like 2 of each, and only 1 of the other that I found. These are like floral picks. They're all $1 each. So that's $5. I also got these 2 stems. Sorry, berry stems, and the fake gourds. I just picked these up from Michael's. They're $10 on the normal, but everything right now is like 50% off of their fall stuff, so pretty much $5. So roughly I am looking at $15 in supplies to make my fall slash Thanksgiving. I don't really do the full decorating for Halloween. I tend to do just outside only because we have trick-or-treaters, but nobody comes into my house. So Halloween is pretty much outside only. But this is going to be my fall and work also for Thanksgiving table centerpiece. So I'm going to try to put all of this together now with some Aleene's glue and a glue gun. I have lots of other stuff going on my desk at the moment, but this is what I'm going to work with. And I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay everyone, I'm back real quick because I forgot one more thing. So it's going to make I'm going to say my price go up to $16. I forgot to include a piece of styrofoam. I had this in stash. If you were to buy it, I guess you can get it at the dollar store, but I have tons of floral foam, craft foam that was just given to me from my aunt. I'm going to use it to build some height in my bowl, and like I said, I want it to be completely removable, so when the season's over I can use my bowl again for something else. And in the meantime, I went ahead and glued some of those leaves around the outside of the ring. I don't know if I'm going to put more on the inside yet. I'm still contemplating that, so I'll be back later. Okay everyone, I've went ahead and hot glue 4 of my dollar store picks onto my leaf wreath. I put a piece of scrap felt that I had left over from another project in the bottom. On a styrofoam cube, I glued a bunch of those fake leaves and stuck my florals in. And now to put it all together, what I plan on doing is I'm just going to rest it on there like that. I do have double stick tape, foam mount. I mean, I could add it to the edge, but I don't have any small kids. I don't think I'm worried about anyone knocking it over once it's in place on the dining room table. So I'm just going to leave it resting like that. In the center, I'm going to go ahead and add my pick, my florals, and then I'm just going to randomly go ahead and stick these gourds. I'm sorry if I'm like messing up the view here, sorry about that. I can't really see what I'm videotaping as I'm trying to do this at the same time. So let's see, let's take a look at it right now. Sorry guys, sorry. I am really bad at this. Taking videotapes and making videos and doing at the same time. Yeah, I think I'm pretty bad. So yeah, this is it. This is my DIY centerpiece for my fall tablescape. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all back together downstairs, and you'll see the whole thing put together. Thanks for watching.